shines bright. Sound and vision take their flight. From word to screen, from soul to sound, a new logo born where art is crowned. Today we celebrate creation, unity, pressure, future together. Lights rise, dreams ignite. Shimmer SI Studio shines bright. Sound and vision